Hey guys, my name is Martin, and I've built applications on top of communication APIs for many years now. What usually sucks is that one has to make a decision about which provider to use. And once you made a decision, you're stuck with that provider, and there's no provider that serves all purposes, even if everyone thinks Twilio is the one ring to rule them all. It's just not true. Just imagine you don't have to choose that one provider. What if, for every single call you want to make and each and every message you want to send, you could get the best provider there is, every time, and without any additional development or integration effort? I've built AWA to provide you the one ring to rule them all. AWA is an engine that integrates a lot of providers, makes decisions in real time about which provider to use for each and every transaction. I bootstrapped AWA starting with SMS and integrated 12 well-known providers with global coverage that you can use through AWA's modern API. Let's have a look how this is done. To know more about AWA, you can visit our website. At awa.network, you can find an overview of what AWA offers and get started using it even without signing up. Besides an introduction of the product, you can find the API reference on top of the website. Once you select it, you will see all functions that are available in the initial version. This documentation is going to be improved. For fast hands-on, you will also receive links to the Swagger version that also allows you the direct execution of API commands. Let's look at the most important ones. The most trivial API is also the core of what AWA offers. Send an SMS to any mobile phone number in the world. You can specify the sender and recipient's phone number and a text and optionally a status callback URL. You might recognize the request response format from other well-known CPaaS providers. AWA offers also a modern reactive API that you can explore. What is more interesting is, of course, to see the selection of providers you can use with AWA. This can be done using the Providers API. The providers I can use are Twilio, MessageBird, and Telnix, one of the other sponsors. We have integrated a total of 12 providers at launch. If you are interested what provider would be used to deliver an SMS, the Routing API provides information about a lot of details. We can, for example, get delivery information for sending SMS to a certain phone network. What we can see is that for an SMS to T-Mobile Germany, AWA has various providers, including their prices integrated. In this case, Telnix would be the provider of choice. Now, what is the benefit of using those CPaaS providers through AWA? The obvious one would be price optimization, as an SMS to a different location would favor another provider, and you do not need to integrate it separately. The MVP we are launching at TADHack is about SMS and cost optimization. But it's not all about cost. You might have other criteria you want to consider for selecting the best provider, like the quality of the route for an improved delivery ratio, or your own SMS provider for certain regions. We're working on all of that. And the next service will be Telephony Connections, where there are big differences in price and quality as well. For TADHack, you can of course use AWA for sending SMS. It's integrated with the sponsors Telnix and offers an SMPP interface to integrate the jambons. It is also interesting for us to see what you can get from our other API endpoints. For example, a visualization based on the pricing and provider data we have available. And remember, you're the first ones using it. The team that worked hard for more than a year to get there and would be glad to receive your feedback on our public Slack channel.